Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TCL30 SE smartphone, and in this video I will show how you can set up the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps category. At the apps menu, go for the default apps section, and here choose browser app. And all that's left to do is to select Opera, and from now on that will ultimately mean that the Opera has been set as the default browser on your smartphone. There is also the second way to do that from the Opera browser directly. So open up the app itself. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar. At the menu, go for this gear icon that stands for settings, and at the settings menu, look for the default browser section. Tap on it, click on next, select Opera, set as default. And from now on, the Opera will be the default browser for your device. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!